advice. Are you aspiring to be writers na?
Hindi po namin alam.
Pero do you write? Not for school?
Not
for
for school.
fun? For fun?
Just for school. For
Just
vlogging.
for
For vlogging.
vlogging?
Yeah.
Do you write poetry?
Not.
Short stories? No, not yet. But do you like to read?
Yeah.
Ayun,
Short
that's always the first thing.
Read.
Tapos read lots of good authors. Yun. Second, just, yuck, ang pangit. Keep writing. Tsaka yun, just keep doing it. And you'll get better as you read more things. And as you keep writing. Tsaka dapat, pag magsusulat ka dapat, ipapabasa mo. It doesn't work if you just keep your story to yourself. If you really want to make a profession of it. Tapos, kung gusto niyo rin, sumali rin kayo ng palangka because it's open to everybody. Are you adults na? Hindi ba?
Hindi.
Kailangan niyo ng parental signatures? Yun lang. Pero pwede kayo sumali.
Oh, what age kayo sumali kayo doon?
I was 19. Hindi na kailangan.
Okay. And last.
Okay. My contributions to society as a writer, I think kasi my dad posted the story on the internet, and I met one person na friend ng friend ko na hindi talaga kami magkilala before. Tapos nung pinakilala kami, actually we spent the whole day na hindi namin exactly alam yung last name ng isa't isa. And then when we finally found out each other's last names, kilala na pala niya ako because of the story. So that was nice. And that, ewan ko, I don't know if a lot of people have read it, but hopefully the message came across. Did it come across to you? I don't know. I think my main contribution to society is being a teacher. Diba? Pero I hope to be widely read someday na may contribution to society din yung aking work. But I don't know.
Ano ba yun? Okay na tayo. I think that, and I think that's it.
Okay. Thank you.
So, can I take a picture?
Okay, picture.
Yeah. Hindi ko na. Kasi nakabalik ko mo.
Dennis.